Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadilla tacos. Heat a skillet over medium, melt a bit of butter, and warm the tortilla slightly before adding cheese. Layer proteins, veggies, and sauce on one half, fold and press until golden brown and crisp. Flip carefully to crisp both sides, then rest for a minute before slicing. Serve with salsa, sour cream, and lime for a fun handheld meal. Choose fillings that balance flavor and texture for great quesadilla tacos. Start with a seasoned protein or well-roasted vegetables, then add a melting cheese for binding. Include crunchy or acidic elements like cabbage, pickles, or fresh salsa to cut richness. Use sauces sparingly to avoid soggy tortillas, and taste as you build so the final taco has bright, layered flavors that pop in every bite when folded and grilled. In this video, I will show how to make quesadilla tacos. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes cooking easier by setting timers, streaming recipes, and filling your kitchen with music while you cook. It fits neatly on any counter and responds hands-free, so you can flip tacos without missing a beat. If you like this tip, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Master heat control to make perfect quesadilla tacos that hold together and crisp nicely. Use medium heat so the tortilla browns slowly while cheese melts through. Press with a spatula for a minute to ensure even contact and faster melting. Avoid overfilling so the fold stays intact, and let the cooked taco rest slightly before cutting to prevent filling from escaping. Serve immediately for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.